If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9. The SCHF9 sports a durable, fine-edge fixed blade that is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. A favorite of survivalists and bushcrafters for its strength and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge. The blade is a 1/4 inch thick and coated with wear and water-resistant PTFE. Boasting a full tang running the entire length of the knife, it ends in a lanyard hole at the base of the handle, making the SCHF9 a stout and trustworthy blade you can depend on in the field. The knife is carried in a ballistic nylon sheath and is secured with an adjustable strap and snap system. On the front, there's a handy removable pouch for everyday carry survival gear, and a lanyard for use as emergency cordage or to lash the sheath bottom to your thigh. Carry options include a hook and loop flap system that allows you to wear the sheath without removing your belt, and MOLLE-compatible straps for attaching it to gear. The thick rubberized TPE handle grip makes the SCHF9 comfortable to use for extended periods and in poor weather conditions. The drop point blade design forms an extra strong tip for piercing, poking, and fine cutting. The sharp contoured edge is crafted to maximize every chop and cut, and the exposed tang at the base of the handle makes a tough tool for pounding and crushing. Designed for reliable everyday performance, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9.
This is the Schrade SCH F52 Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife. With 7 inches of razor-sharp wilderness-taming edge, the SCH F52 is crafted from tough, edge-retaining 1095 high-carbon steel. The full fine edge rises from below and drops from the spine to form a rugged and pointy tip, ready for any drilling, piercing, or precision slicing task. The full-tang blade is coated with scratch and friction-reducing PTFE, which helps the SCH F52 Frontier glide through feathering, cutting, chopping, and bushcraft batoning tasks. The ergonomic grip is fashioned to perfectly fit the human hand, and the TPE handle slabs further increase comfort in grip while reducing hot spots that can cause blisters. A sizable finger choil makes detailed work a breeze, while the pommel end-hand guard keeps grip firm when unleashing the chopping power of the 7-inch blade. Crush and smash objects with the hammer end and lash cordage through the lanyard hole for added security. Sharpen the SCH F52 Frontier with the diamond stone that travels with blaze-sparking fire steel, and a striker in the front pocket of the black heavy-duty woven fabric sheath. Slide the full length of the knife into the protective sheath and secure with the adjustable handle strap for safe travel. Carry the knife on any belt using the adjustable rear loop. Backcountry, bushcraft ready, forged from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F52 Frontier Fixed Blade Survival Knife. Notice that the best advice usually involves some sort of decisive action? Take on the world, seize the day, grab life by the horns. Maybe it's because the guys who say things worth listening to aren't the type to humbly accept whatever life hands them. Instead, they choose to craft reality with their own hands. There's a pride in doing that some folks don't or won't understand. But if you do, if you're one of those types who knows the satisfaction of solving your own problems and of being well prepared and well equipped, then you're one of us. And you're among good company. At CRKT, we work alongside the most innovative designers in the world, people who share our passion for purpose, to consistently deliver the tools and knives that shape the industry. We're proud to be an American company. We were born in Oregon, so naturally our products tend to take after the place we've called home for the past 20 years. At first glance, it's all jaw-dropping, eye-popping beauty. But get up close and you'll realize there's another side, the business side. The don't you ever underestimate me side. It's why guys who choose CRKT knives and tools can, frankly, be a little particular about them. They know that there's just something right about holding the perfect tool in your hands. And once you've felt that connection, it's hard to accept anything.
This is the Strongarm Serrated Edge Fixed Blade Knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon serrated edge blade for strength and versatility. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife.